Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable cash on delivery payment method in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the sales option. This will lead you to a new page where you will click on configuration from the navigation menu up here. Then click on Payment Methods from the drop-down menu under the Online Payment section. Next, in this new page, you just have to simply click on the toggle for cash on delivery to activate and enable it. Once the toggle turns green, this means that COD payment is now enabled in your Odoo website. And that is how you can enable cash on delivery payment method in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.